Hey, we're recording. I love you, Savannah. This is Savannah Anderson.
My first double sleep.
Where'd you go? There she is! Beauty.
This is her mom.
It's her mom.
That's how it was made.
That's how she was made.
Are you recording?
No way. No, I'm just saying this.
Oh, it's really good. And I went, oh.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah, her mom watches all the recordings too.
No.
She takes her camera back to make sure she wasn't recording anything bad.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, man, totally.
Can you, like, erase what I just did?
Hey, lick again. Mom licks. Hey, so what did... Show me how you did earlier.
Shut up, Savannah. You're funny.
Wait, did you guys?
Very true.
Both of you are grounded.
Sorry.
Shut up.
Recording this.
I'm seriously grounded or just...
Be proper.
Proper. Let's see how fat I am. You guys can't look. Only I can and Savannah can. She's gonna be like, oh. You're hungry. Thanks, yelling that in my face. Wait.
Oh, I thought to get my
Negative.
Negative.
I'm gonna take us now.
She's only 40 pounds, guys. Guys, only 40 pounds. Can you believe this? Look how bad I look because of being on, like, Savannah rocks.
Of muscle.
Negative. Just kidding. Flick the camera. Good job. We're crazy chicks. We're not even taking a picture. Holly!
This is my sister. Let's stalk her. Look at the camera. This is her butt. Zoom.
The booty.
Oh, look at. Oh, yeah, sexy.
That's like Ricky's tattoo.
That's Anita. I'll turn my mouth inside of it. Oh. Make out.
Ew.
You just made out with Anita Ritzner.
Woo. Oh.
On my arms. You're so dumb.
Wait, you said on your boobs.
Zoom in on my arms. I said butt cheek.
Oh, look at her butt. Look at her butt. Look at her butt.
Butt cheek. Take a picture zoomed in on.
Her mom's having troubles.
Okay.
Really sad.
Who's calling now, Matt?
Fran.
Next guy comes, that's the
You're calling Matt?
No.
Well, hooker.
There's my scooter. That's probably your grandpa's, huh? Or Butch's. Oh, Justin's. Hey, Butch.
What?
What?
I want to say hi. We're recording.
Huh?
We're recording.
What are you recording?
You,
What?
Butch. Say whatever you feel to say in your heart and mind.
Whatever I feel to say in my heart.
In mine.
And mine.
Okay, say.
I am? I just said it. You told me to say what I was going to say. What do you want me to
Can we
say?
see the back of your shirt? Grab your balls and let's go bowling. Alright, that's good.
Okay.
So how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Pretty good.
Did you have fun on the river?
Huh?
Did you have fun in the river?
Yeah, I had fun at the river. Did Savannah have fun at the river?
Yeah.
Give me a light. Your pants unzipped.
That's like...
Yes. There's Moose.
That is not sexy. Zip up your pants. It's not sexy.
That hurts.
Well...
Love hurts? Is that what you said?
No.
I said that hurts.
That hurts, not love hurts.
Here, let me take a picture of you.
Okay, wait, let me stop recording.
That's a
Say
video
peace.
recording on it?
Say peace.